Amotekun arrests 4 suspected kidnappers in Ekiti. 4 suspected kidnappers have been arrested by men of the Ekiti State Security Network Agencies, codenamed Amotekun Corps, in Eda, Oniyo, Ilejemeje local government area of the state. The Amotekun Corps commander, Brigadier General Joe Komolafe, while speaking with newsmen on Friday, said the 4 suspects were coming from the northern part of the country and the state. He gave the names of the suspects as Abubakar Sule, Shehu Usman, Abubakar Babangida, and Shehu Mahmuda. He explained that the routine patrol of the personnel, the 4 suspects who were said to be headers, were intercepted and arrested on motorcycles around 9 o'clock a.m. on Friday. Komolafe added that the suspect, upon interrogation, could not give satisfactory response as to their mission in the state, but confessed to be kidnappers. According to him, materials found on them aside for motorcycles included long rope, which they confessed they often use to tie kidnappers' victims in the bush. He said, "Our men on routine patrol intercepted these 4 persons suspected to be kidnappers on Friday morning when they were making their ways into the state. They told us they were coming from Ilorin, Kwara State, on a motorcycle after they were brought in from the northern part of the country in a truck a few days ago. Upon questioning, they said they were heading to Akungba, Akoko in Ondo State, but with no clear mission here. What we found on them clearly gave them away as suspected kidnappers, and also with their confession. One of them clearly wrote on the motorcycle in Hausa language, Duniya Ba Hutu, which means no peace in this world. None of the motorcycle has a number plate or documents to show ownership. The Amoteku commander noted the suspect, which would be handed over to the police for further investigation and prosecution. Komolafe, while assuring president of the state that everything possible will be done towards off criminals elements from the state, he solicited maximum cooperation on timely and accurate information on movement of strange individuals in their environment. Thank you for listening to this news. Perfect job. Perfect and brilliant. This is why we said that the Amotekuns are really working. They are working, but the wicked ones, the wicked people in the states don't want their existence. And these are the people that are using these Fulanis to perpetrate this evil. We are talking about the monarchs, and they know themselves. They know themselves. Many of them are not happy of the presence of the Amotekuns in Oyo, and in fact, in Southwest in general. They are not happy because they know that the presence of the Amotekuns there will help slow down their evil plans in Oyo. They know, and that is why they are afraid. They know that the Amotekuns are a very big stumbling block. They are stumbling block to many of their evil deeds. So they are just afraid. But look at, since the coming of the Amotekuns, see what has been happening. See what has been happening. Can't you see yourself? Can't you see that criminality is reducing? Theft is reducing. Can't you see yourself? Do we start telling you? I don't need to start telling you, sir, because it is clear. It is clear to be seen. It is there to be seen that these people are working. They are working. They are doing the needful. They are doing the expected. You understand? Okay, look at your state today. Look at Oyo State. Look at what is happening in Oyo as we speak. As we speak right now, as I'm talking to you now, Oyo is unrest. There is serious unrest in Oyo. Oyo is seriously shaken because of the Amotekuns and the herdsmen. The herdsmen have been able to detect the hidden place in Oyo, the hidden place where these Fulani herdsmen kidnap people. And because of that, they have demanded for their leaving Oyo for good. Now, instead of the president to take action, the president is even siding them and saying that that Oyo State and Oyo doesn't have the right to chase Fulanis out of southwest states. Is that the kind of statement that's supposed to come out from the president's mouth? Is that not embarrassing? Huh? How about my viewers? Something needs to be done because of this. Something needs to be done because of this. We can't just fold our hands and watch things happen. This calls for serious matter. Seriousness. We must say something about this. We must work out things because of this. We must work out things. All right? So don't fold your hands. Be watchful. Know what you're doing. Speak up. You understand? Speak up. Don't allow yourself to be intimidated. Don't allow yourself to be deceived. Don't allow yourself to be threatened. Speak up. Challenge them. Challenge the motion. You understand? Say no to this. To me, see, I never expected this coming from the president. Okay, look at the Oyo State Governor, Makinde. I expected him to do what Akeredolu has done. Instead, he was dancing to the tune of the president. Your own people have been killed unnecessarily, and you are saying that it is not the Fulani herdsmen that did it. So who now did it? No, it is the Igbos. No, it is the Yorubas. No, it is the Christians. Why are you fooling yourselves? Why? This shows that not everybody are capable to be called a leader. Not everybody are capable to be called a leader. I'm telling you, not everybody at all. Not everybody. You see? So please, my viewers, we just have to speak up. Okay? Please deem it fit to leave your comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription buttons as well as bell buttons to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.